Yeah, I think I figured out what it is. Here's the thing. Let me pull something up real quick. Yeah, in OBS, there's like an advanced audio properties where I can set the tracks for the microphone and desktop audio. And whenever I record video using the program, I set the desktop and microphone to separate tracks so that I can edit them individually in post. But it's kind of like this. So I forgot if that's so if that didn't work. So if you did still hear me, even though I changed tracks, I'm sorry for blowing your ears out. You hear now? All right. Yeah. Right. Yeah, I do forget it sometimes. I did this one Half-Life 2 SMod stream a while back, and for the entire stream there was no audio coming from me. That I forgot to change the microphone track back to track 1 from track 2. So there was like yeah, and there was like a Forsen sub who came to the chat and tried to chat with me. So so I thought he could hear me, but I'm not really sure. I just thought he left because he got bored, but my microphone was off for that entire stream, and I've just felt so embarrassed whenever I figured that out. So what game am I making? I'm making a game called Ichikketsu. Yeah. I've actually explained it in a video that I've recently uploaded to the Moonblaze Games channel. So yeah. Oh God. Okay. Yeah, it's this one here. I just uploaded this one 2 days ago. So consider this the official announcement from my actual channel that this video is up. In case you want to know about the game I'm making, this explains it for you pretty much. It also has a bit of a content dump if you're interested. So today I think I'm gonna work a little bit on the code. I haven't really made much progress on it ever since I decided to talk about the whole thing with the Yandere dev. In fact, I think the last time I actually worked on it was, I guess, around the time I was about to graduate high school, probably about a week or two ago. So this game's development is kind of on and off. I'm doing it as a hobby. It's kind of like the development for Cave Story, that the developers juggled a job with his game development hobby. I'm repeating things. Okay. Yeah. So in case you wanted to look at the code for this game, here it is. Right now this script is for a... Hold on. I think I'll adjust this so you can also see the tabs at the top. It's about... Is your code a full bowl of spaghetti? Maybe, maybe not. It's got a lot of scripts. I think there's just like one script dedicated specifically to damaging the player and enemies. I probably might merge that into like general health pulls later down the line. Trying to learn how to code because you're trying to make a game? Good for you. Good for you. Not trying to sound sarcastic. Okay. And would you also mind if I... okay, would any of you mind if I did like a 30-minute break sometime during this stream? Probably see if my computer can handle running Doom arcade mode. Yeah. Ever since my stream didn't crash whenever I ran Minecraft with a shaders mod, I've been figuring, hey, maybe setting the process priority to, above normal could make OBS not crash on high CPU games. Oh. Right. So first off, I think I want to do something here where it's like a general function call in case the enemy AI wants to look at the player target. So looking back on what I have right now, let's see. Player.transform. Sorry. Actually, wait. NPC. Oh, wait. Hold on. Okay. Void look at target. How long have I been coding for? About, I think I'll just say about a year or two. It's kind of been on and off for the most part. So like, what focus do we have in here? So transform focus. Right. We could probably just like change the look target to target, and that would already do it. Previous location. Transformed opposition. Okay. Right. Okay, so looking back on this now, this is the thing. So this is a script responsible for the animation of the thing, of the enemy. I wanted to get myself to game design, but my laptop needed to be repaired. I'm looking at chat on a separate laptop right now so that it saves power on my main computer as well as screen space. What I'm thinking right now is first off, I'm gonna see if I can get the enemy AI to listen out for a audio source footsteps. These things here from the player. So it already has the player set. So So I think I'll start out with something basic. If player dot footstep sfx dot play cannot convert, but okay, is playing. Is the clip playing right now? Okay. Yeah, so it is playing. Or how about, first off, so we can tell it's playing. Hell is pink number? Pink number? I've never seen this. What is it? Alright. It's probably something from one of the add-ons I have, so moment please. Moment please. Oh, it's just like vector 3 distance. So dist is equal to vector 3 distance this dot transform dot position and player dot transform dot position. There we go. Actually, we could probably put this player dot footsteps sprint sfx dot is playing. Okay. If player dot footstep sfx dot min distance. Wait, hold on. Let's get the distance first. Okay. Distance is less than or equal to player dot footstep sfx dot min distance, then I guess look target. Wait, hold on. Oh, wait. Hold on. Where did I learn how to code? I got most of my learning from an RPG tutorial. I forgot to put this window down, but okay. I got most of my learning from this guy named Games Plus James RPG tutorial series. Yeah, this guy here.
Coding your own game.
I'm still waiting for him to continue the series, by the way. If any of you can go rate his comment section action and spam RPG tutorial series, that'd be nice. Please don't rate his comment section. Okay, so then what do we got here? NPC site. So and range dot focus is equal to player dot transform look target range dot look target is equal to look target dot target. So I guess what we have here now is that if the enemy AI notices a thing, so it's going to turn and look at the target. So which will have been set to the player. Is there anything else we could probably change here? Void notice. Yeah. If it's currently following a path, we can turn off AI lerp and patrol. Okay. AI alert dot enabled behaviors get updated, disabled behaviors are not. Okay. Enabled dot enabled is equal to false. Patrol dot enabled is equal to false. Okay. I think I'll put the notice function first. And let's see the results of our work. Yeah, these right now, these behaviors don't really do anything right now, so we can discount those. Okay, so it is facing. The hell? Wait, notice. Probably take out the notice function. See what that does. Okay, so it's kind of glitched, it looks like. Hold up. Wait, so if look target is equal to look target dot path, look target dot target, so forward new vector 3 0f. Just comment this out, see if I've done anything to somehow break this. Have I done anything to break the code? So it is following. So by normal circumstances, it is walking. It is looking in the right direction. Okay. Where is it fucking up though? So If distance is equal to min distance. Ah! Do you have any ideas? You guys and gals have any ideas for this? Distance. If distance is equal to... Alright, so range dot focus to the player. Okay, so the range, so the focus has been set to player dot transform, and now for the look target, it's looking for. There's no other dependencies that I know of, so what's the problem? Like these lines of code should not have any other dependencies. It's the kind of pain I have to go through. Alright, what's going on here? If alert timer, yeah, alright. Let's probably put something in here to set the look target is equal to look target dot path. Range dot look target is equal to look target dot path. Flies. Ah. Range dot look target is equal to look target dot path. So yeah, if look target dot path, it has to follow this, follow the path. But where it's failing is that it's got to look at the player. So. Focus.transform.position.x 0f. Yeah. Okay, so the void update if r is equal to transform.position. Yeah. Range.r, so this, yeah. R is basically the variable that the animator uses to determine which way the sprite has to face. Yeah. Probably won't do any sprint right now. You know, with code, that you never know. That could be the reason this thing is not working properly. All right. Actually, yeah, let's put it down here so we can observe in real time. Anyone still there? Ah! So it is rotating, yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, for your information, I also have some Bear Twitch TV and Frankerface Z emotes, as well as a few commands in Nightbot, few funny little commands in Nightbot. Flies. Common house flies. Okay, so it's getting the range.focus to and it's setting the focus to player transform and the target and look target to the target. So it should be working. My question is, where is it failing? Like, why is it only like? Hang on. Well, if I are there different circumstances if I approach from a different area? What the hell? Okay, so it's probably noticing the okay, so it can hear. Alright, so the problem is when it's idle, so hold on. Okay, so when the enemy mind slave is idle, so wait. Why can it still see the player when it's out of the range? Okay. Huh. I'll worry about that another time. I don't get it. I don't get it. If look target dot target. Okay, so it's supposed to be facing the focus. The upwards. velocity. So I keep forgetting to pull this up. What? So quaternion.look rotation. Look at something. Look at something. The direction to look in. Forward. The vector that defines in which direction up is. Yeah, it's definitely looking forward. So, vector 3 dot velocity. Again, the velocity that this agent wants to move with includes gravity and local avoidance if possible. See hashtag velocity. Wait, no, that's the desired velocity. Actual velocity. So, velocity is the actual velocity that the agent is moving with in world units per second. See desired velocity. Okay, so I'm assuming that velocity here is going to be like the difference between two, or like the two positions, I think. Hold on. You know, what if I move this to a late update? Or no, it's probably because the thing is in a late update. It's called every frame, so let's see if this makes any difference. Anyone still here? Okay, that's good to know. Pony Ron? So, the R. Where's the player right now? What the hell? Did I accidentally step up into the field of view? Okay, so I think I get what's going on here to a small extent. It's still following me. Why? Okay, so I'm far out of its radius, but it can still follow me. So, what? Set look rotation. Hey. Common housefly. Unity. Look at something. Transform.look. Oh. Transform.look at. Target object to point towards. World up vector specifying the upward direction. Huh? What? So look target up. Transform.rotation is equal to quaternion.look direction vector 3. Oh god. I am stumped. I am stumped. Oh, I see. Okay. Any of you have any ideas on how I could fix this real quick? Not really real quick, but any ideas? I know not what is happening. Okay, so I found another little problem whenever it like falls. So whenever it goes from the look target to look target from target to path, there's a bug where where even if I go out of the enemy's range, it can still follow a new path for me. So form a new path to find me. So until I go back into the range and come right back out. By then, it works like normal. And it doesn't really seem that moving the thing to moving the object to update will from late update to normal update fix the problem any. So I'm gonna move it back to late update consistency reasons. This reminds me of Aoni. That's kind of the... I guess that's kind of one of the... Yeah, the game is inspired a lot by by RPG horror games is what I'm getting at here. It's kind of explain. It's probably, yeah. But Chandler, you stutter a lot. I'm sorry. Tripping over my words. No stuttering in this house. So get a component in velocity. So for a reference point, what am I doing wrong? Quaternion look rotation. Look rotation. Look at something. Alright. Wait. I just figured out that that YouTube thing is still on live chat. Or no, it's the YouTube chat. I had to set the top chat. So if there's like anything I missed, and I'm sorry. There's always something that goes wrong whenever I stream, I'm telling you. The focus.transform.position.x. What if I put focus.transform.position.z? It seems innocuous, but it's an extra parameter that's by default set at 0. On a side note, I saw a few comments on my last Yandere video calling me out for having an ugly mustache. So I went and shaved it. And to be perfectly honest, I look so much different at different. I mean, not to so much different in a sense that that I'm a. It's just I've noticed a pretty big change in my appearance. Yeah, look at it. Look at it. Can you see the... Yeah, so there's something I am missing here. And yeah, for some reason, it's like it's not setting the thing back to. Okay. Can see player is equal to false. All right. that's kind of the intention. This game was inspired largely by RPG horror games such as Aoni, Eve, and Miso, as well as Yume Nikki. I mentioned those exact same titles in my video. Yeah, I don't get it. What's going on here? It could probably be something in enemy AI. Focus. You know, let's comment this out for now and just, right from the get-go, set the focus to the player and the target, and like set the focus and target in the inspector right from the get-go. Maybe it's something to do with the scripting, or or it could be a fundamental problem with how things are set up. Tonight, we find out the big mystery on everyone's mind. Target transform is set to player demo. Yeah, hold on. So it's a fundamental problem with how it works, is what I'm getting at here. I'm gonna have to rework the look at thing entirely. So whenever it's supposed to look down the path it's going, that is exactly how, and then it works exactly as intended. Admittedly, I could probably smooth out the path a bunch so that it doesn't jiggle around. But that's gonna be a. But from my testing, that's kind of a big load on the code, especially on big load for a CPU, especially on like my laptop. When I tested it, there were some pretty big slowdowns. So let's put this back. Non-specific, set it to not. Look target is set to non-specific. It's set. All right. And non-specific is it's set. It's just like, in case you're wondering what non-specific is, it's just like, yeah, and just like the thing is free to look in whatever direction it wants. It's not set to look exactly at one object. I intend to I intend to use it for investigating behavior when it's looking around like this. I'd even probably go as far as to say that I'm still pretty novice at coding. That I'm really, I'm still trying to wrap my head around most of what's going on here. Yeah, so we need to fix it at the level, at this level. So I'm gonna go onto the Game Dev League Discord server right quick and see what's going on here. I need help with getting an enemy to face a target in a 2D game. I'm streaming it right now. So all right. Is code word is yeah, so use the code word, so if you're coming here from the Game Dev League Discord, use the code word use the code word that I put in the chat in there, so that I know you came from there. Interception. Flies. E. So the R, transform Euler angle Z. All right, so if you're here, if you're here, I'm having a problem with it. So I'll show you what's going on here. I'm trying to get this girl to face this girl whenever it needs to. Currently, I've set it up so that it hears the footsteps. But whenever it's supposed to do that, it just does this instead. It does rotate, but not in the direction I want it to. And I'm not seeing any real correlation between where it's rotating. Yes. So after a bit of trial and error. What's that term? After a bit of deductive testing, I've narrowed the problem down to be from somewhere in here. So is there anything that I'm doing wrong here, or yeah, quaternion.look rotation. Vector 3 forward, new vector 3. I'm trying to get the up arrow, the green one, to face in the direction where the focus is, which is supposed to which is supposed to be the player. Face the player in 2D. Alright. Okay. Now I'm gonna have to repeat myself. So what's basically happening here is that I'm trying to get this girl to face the player here, and it should be, and I've narrowed, like, look what happens. So the code executed that it should be facing the player, but it's not. It's not. So so after a bit of deductive reasoning, I think I've narrowed it down to this line of code of the fundamental, which means there's like a fundamental problem with the actual look target execution. Can't you use look at? Hold on. Isn't look at the same thing as quaternion.look rotation? Hold on. Hold up. Okay. Rotation. Make the look at vector planar. Transform.rotation is equal to transform.look at. Focus. Cannot implicitly convert void to Unity engine quaternion. Dot look. Yeah, that would be the forward axis. Dot focus. Dot transform dot forward. All right. So, transform.look at. Let's see if this makes a difference here. It's not consistent. It's not exactly consistent, but if it gets the job done, then I don't really mind. Now let's see if this works. Okay, so it is facing, but it's the wrong one. So transform it up. Got it. Look vector dot target position. Equals 0. Transform dot look at. Okay. I think I got it. Yeah. Yeah, I think I got it. Give me a moment. Meme review. Meme review. Meme review. Everyone clap. 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 Hold on. I don't have the... Oh, wait. I do, actually. Okay. Transform.position.right. Right version. But up. Spin me right round, baby, right round. Look at it. Oh, look at it go. Look at her go. Meatspin.com. Please don't go there. Okay. Vector 3 dot up. Oh, it still won't work. It was still trying to make it. Hold on. Look vector target at position. Look vector dot z is equal to 0. Transform dot look at look vector. What if I just get rid of this entirely? Flies. Transform that target. Focus. And just set the vector you want it to be based off. Transform.right is equal to some vector. Okay. Alright, focus. Vector specifying the upward direction. So the forward vector. Look at upward vector. Unity. Look at up vector. Okay. Then it rotates to transform to point its up direction vector in the direction hindered by the world up vector. If you leave out the... Okay, so... Vector 3... Vector 3 dot... down. Try making it that. But up. 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 But up, but up, but up, but up, but some vector 3 magic. Yes, please. I need help here. Transform dot see also look rotation. Quaternion. Transform dot rotation is equal to quaternion dot set thank you, K something for following on Twitch. I don't know. I'll probably just end up changing the whole thing so that it just. I'll probably just end up changing the whole system so that it's look at friendly. Hey. Hi. Pizza. Ow. What? Okay. doesn't follow the example. Okay. Okay, so public transform.target void update. Vector 3 relative position is equal to target.transform.position. Target position dot target position minus transform.position. Okay. Okay, so relative position to the target. Okay. You want it to be target dot position minus transform dot position. Oh, okay. Oh, I think I get it now. Okay. I think I get it. Pony Run, you still on here with me? Type the clap emote in chat once I get this working. All right. Oh, don't do. Oh, it's working. It's working. Yes. Okay. So sneak up, sneak up. Okay, so it's working. Yes. We got it. Hello, Dynamite Frog. Welcome to the YouTube chat. Let's see if there's anything behind a wall. Will it work behind a wall? Okay, so it is facing it, but it can't see the player. We did it! We did it! We did it! Okay. We did it. Raise your claps. Raise your claps. Because I figured it all out. Thanks, Tom, Mirren. I feel like I. How long will I be streaming? I don't know.
Thanks a lot, Black Mesa.
Thank you, Pixie, for subscribing on YouTube. Okay. Okay. If it works. Hold on. It just works. Todd, it just works. Todd Howard. Okay. How dark is it in here right now? Oh, okay. It's getting pretty late. Meme review. Okay. So we finally got it working. Working. I just had to switch this from this. I had to switch from this into this. Yeah. Yeah. I guess that's just what programming is. You spend hours at a time on a problem that with an easy fix that never really came into your mind. And walking out of this now, I feel like I have a better understanding of quaternion look rotation. Okay. Okay, so... Alright, so now... So next thing to do, I think, is see if I could get the enemy AI to go and investigate it. So...
Thanks a lot, Black Mesa.
Arcane757, thank you for subscribing on YouTube. Would this mean that I have to make a yet another timer? Hold on. Public float investigate timer. Private float investigate timer reset. Investigate timer reset is equal to investigate timer. I'll probably stream for about, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours. Ah! Okay, Royalty-free chill hop. Zach and Zach, sup man? Really liked your videos. Thank you. Welcome to the stream. I just figured out how to get something to face something else in a 2D plane, while being swarmed by a legion of houseflies. It actually inspired you to make your own Yandere Dev video? Nice. So your channel kind of grew because of Yandere Sim. Yeah. It's kind of a big trend in YouTube, so naturally it's going to draw a lot of people. And there's really no shame in chasing trends other than being called a normie. So, really other than that, I'm kind of grateful for the growth I've got. I think I just implemented a command into my Twitch chat that pulls random Am I new to Unity? I've been in on and off in it for about 2 years, and and I'm starting to get the hang of it. Leaning over here. By the way, if I didn't tell you, I'm looking at chat on a separate laptop so that it saves screen space. And as well as CPU power, or internet speeds. My laptop's running off of Wi-Fi while my main PC that I'm streaming from is running on an Ethernet wired cable. What game are you making? Yeah, hold on. It's called Ichikketsu. I've uploaded a video explaining it on the Moonblaze Games channel. Here it is in case you want to go and watch it at any time you'd like. Most of it's going to be a content dump. Like the actual explanation of the game ends at 5 minutes. So it's like another 6 minutes and 24 seconds of just content that I've made over the years for the game. And again, the game's development right now is kind of on and off, similar to it's a hobby, similar to like how a Cave Story was made. Okay. So, investigate timer. So, wait, what? You'd be interested in streaming it once it's out? Yeah, cool. It's nice to hear. Okay. Okay, so void notice. So else range. So I guess what? So now I'll implement an else function that stops looking at the player once it can't hear anything. So range dot look target is equal to look target dot nonspecific. Actually, that would probably be setting. Actually, every time I take a step, that would be setting the look target to nonspecific. So We probably don't want to do it like that. Hold on. Or how about this? How about range dot look target is equal to look target dot non-specific. Okay. Seem like a much more objective developer than Yandere Dev. Okay. I guess that's nice to hear. Yeah. So, and I'm thinking like the look target dot non-specific would be overshadowed by, probably be overshadowed by the alert being setting by the alert function, alert bowl, setting the target to path. Actually, let's see if it works like that. Okay, so look target dot path. Okay, so it's not being overshadowed. Okay, so it's not being overshadowed. The non-specific is overshadowing the path. But as it is right now, it doesn't seem like that. That's creating any major issues. Okay, so it did make an issue there. Alright. Houseflies. I'm telling you. Sprint SFX. So let's see if see if anything changes whenever I go into sprint mode. Or it's probably not going to change, but I'm just okay, so once it's out of the range, we can else range dot look target is equal to look target dot non-specific. Or no, how about this? Just a dirty fix. A dirty fix. Else, if alert is equal to true, then range dot look target is equal to look target dot path. Else, range dot look target is equal to look target dot non-specific. Okay, for some reason it's not actually picking it up at all. What? So I am missing something here. I found this channel through Yandere Def, but I subbed when I found out the uploader was the game developer. Huh? The game developer? What? Do you mean a game developer? Alright. Well, thanks for subbing, I guess. Yeah, that's probably what you meant. Yeah, it seems that whenever there's a... Oh, don't say that. Don't say that. Don't call yourself dumb. If anything, I'm the dumb one for not knowing why is this nullifying all this up here. Thunk emoji. Thunking. So, you gotta think. Yeah. So whenever I'm thinking, thinking that the thunker, target is equal to 1. Okay, non-specific. Else range dot look target is equal to look target dot non-specific. I looked to the side of my screen and there's a new upload from Optimus saying, I have a gaming disorder. Don't worry, we all do. What? Gaming disorder. Huh. Yeah, categorize that under oh, the CDC is going to be a bit no, not the CDC. A disorder would probably be like a mental thing, so it'd probably be a which departments handle mental health again? Okay. So zip. Yeah, there's this one YouTuber Uber I found like through some game theory criticism and Fortnite content called Optimus. He's a pretty good YouTuber for like serious discussions regarding games. He has normie tastes. He plays Call of Duty and such, but I really like his discussions. And if you're into like games like Fortnite and COD, then this guy's for you, I guess. For some reason, it still classifies the. Welcome to the chat, Mr. Chair D Tables. Oh wait, I didn't even notice you were the same guy from the YouTube comments. My bad. You're currently making a voxel RPG. That's cool. First game in Unity. Congrats, man. So it is looking at that. Right. You initially thought you were making it. You initially thought I was making this game with RPG Maker to the assets. Okay. I guess I should have explained in my Moonblaze video that I was making it in Unity. Yeah. I feel like Unity gives me much more freedom, freedom in how I develop the game. While although it's harder to develop them with RPG Maker, it ultimately has a much better end result there's so much more you could do with the engine. That and the fact that at the time I started developing this, I didn't really have much money to shell out for RPG Maker. Look target, and then, actually, I think it shouldn't be perpetually facing the player instead of I think it should just like follow the footsteps one at a time and just like, yeah, range.lookTarget is equal to lookTarget.nonspecific. Let's see how this plays out. Same here. You tried RPG Maker, but felt like you were getting stuck with limitations. Yeah, there's a lot of yeah, like choosing your game engine can be a very quick hurdle, and even more so if you're making your own engine because you're making up something from scratch rather than yeah. Okay, so it's not doing that at all. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Range.focus is equal to player to transform. So get rid of this real quick. Look target.target. I think I know what to do here. So, void late update. Okay. Okay. Private bool E. Oh. Sorry, dude. Hold on. Sorry about that, dude. Yeah, I can't really send very many. I can't. I don't want to really to put my guard down for. I don't really want Nightbots to. Okay, this is why you abandoned Nightbot. I could probably make you a regular through Nightbot system real quick, so I can see the GIF you're trying to post. Default. Wait. Spam protection. Links. Wait, okay, what's the hosting site you're trying to post a GIF from, by the way? I can add the site to the whitelist. Reminisce? E. E is equal to true. And if E is equal to true, then range.lookTarget is equal to lookTarget.nonspecific. There we go. Are you going to activate the restream feature where the chat from YouTube gets transferred over to Twitch chat and vice versa? What? Restream has that? I know that Restream has like a combined chat room, but I didn't know that it can copy messages over from YouTube chat into Twitch chat. Let me look at this real quick, because you have intrigued me. Oh my goodness. Yeah, can you just you try typing the hosting site as not as a link. I'm sorry. Okay. Where do I get that? How do I do that? It's on settings, bot, enable bot, and relay messages. Account settings. How do I do that? Is that like a web chat? It doesn't throw a bot in your stream, but it uses your username to transfer message. Is that in the Restream chat executable program, or is it something that's online? Yeah, Restream chat program. Give me a moment while I find this. Restream chat. Never tried the one on the browser. Huh. Okay. Verifying application requirements could take a few minutes. Downloading. Yeah, give me a moment while I set this up real quick. I want to see how it works. Alright, Ramus, you, for the time being, I've added you to the regulars list. You've been listed from Nightbot's Wrath. Sorry I didn't do this earlier. I said you have talent. Sorry. I like how the enemies just like explode into little blocks, and I'm really like the overall aesthetic you have for your game, Reminisce. Congrats. All you ever did for your first Unity game was a Seguri clone? Well, we all gotta start somewhere. Okay, bot. Enable bot. Enable message relay between all chats. Okay, so testing bot. Okay, it's working. Nice. Test type. Thank you. Would I need to keep the window open in order for it to work, though? Okay. It works. Okay, so E true. You don't know, you always have it open whenever you stream. Oh. Okay, well, if you stream then give me a moment. Chair G Tables, thanks for the follow.
Oh, my shoulder!
You know, those special alerts should only be playing rarely, but I'm thinking that because I have so many of them set to that are set to rare, I think they kind of work around into keep becoming common instead. You know, I might just switch all the alerts around to just all gotchi anyway. It's like they're all common, all the same chance of playing, and they have like more sound clips. More. More. Wait, oh, wait. I gotta test the thing, the range look at target, the blade update. Okay, so it's like still following. Okay, so it does stop following once it goes out of range. Hold on. Wait. Okay. Yeah, for some reason it's still like following, so hold on. Dargor Dazer, welcome to the stream. Hold on. Wait. I almost forgot. E is equal to false. I almost forgot. I gotta set Lord Farquaad back to false once this is what's this late function is over. I gotta set Lord Farquaad back to it's still following, but I'm out of the range now. A rough estimate of when the game will be finished. It'll be finished whenever it's finished. Again, I'm kind of working on this, I guess, on and off, and I'm planning on working on it more from here on forward. But still, it's kind of gonna be more of a hobby that I'm gonna balance with my usual life. So I'm thinking of trying to get it finished before I graduate college. Okay, so I guess what I want to do next is try and get the try and get it so that Is there a Discord link you can look at for updates? I don't have a personal Discord server at the moment. Maybe I'll make one soon. I am frequenting a lot of Yandere Simulator servers, and spin-off project servers like Limerence, Watashi no Mano, and the such. In case you want to go find those. Yeah. Like this one server, there's this one server that's linked directly in the YonSim subreddit. The one owned by Pocto and Matty Nolan. It's it's a server where a lot of neutrals and haters hang in. You don't know, you're just interested in this project. If you want to follow it, then you can follow the Moonblaze Games WordPress blog and the Moonblaze Games channel. So the range, it can see the player and alert is a false. Okay, so there's something in here that's setting the so I'm gonna take a look. I'm gonna keep an eye on the can see player variable for while this is going on here. So can't see the player anymore, so if there's something I'm missing, then you're one of the few subs. Okay, well, yeah, there's a Moonblaze Games WordPress blog that is promoted en masse on that channel. It's kind of the big thing where the updates come from. Yeah, again, the WordPress blog is moonblazegames.wordpress.com. It's pretty simple. A simple URL. Yeah, for some reason, the thing is... So there's maybe a dependency that I'm not aware of? Hello, Doogie. Okay, so... Alright. Saw my Yondev videos, keep up the good work, thank you. You need to go, but secretly lurk on my streams from time to time. Okay, well, have a good day, dude. See you next time, I guess. Okay. Take a careful look at the can see player variable. So once I go... So when the thing is not triggered, it acts as normal. Yeah. So when the notice function isn't triggered, it just acts as normal. Okay. Okay, so like I am out of the sight, so out of the sight of the thing, so out of the sight of the thing until it just like all right. So there's probably something I'm missing here in the look at target. So could I possibly go back to something like this? Or else if alert is not equal to true, then range dot look target is equal to look target dot non-specific, else range dot look target is equal to look target dot path. Yo, this is gonna be become spaghetti code in no time. I'll try looking at the look target field again, see what's going on here. also been working on sword abilities. That's cool, Reminisce. Alright, oh. There's a destructible environment? Reminisce, this looks promising. I'm gonna give you that. Yeah. Well, good luck on your game, Reminisce. Okay. You're gonna go to bed, but good luck to me too. Alright. Have a great day, dude.
Oh, my shoulder!
Thank you for subscribing, Reminisce. Or following, I mean. It's getting a little late over here, so I'll probably end the stream soon. But either maybe before or during I iron out some bugs with the range looking system, the way it just notices sound. Okay, float. Wait, no. New transform. Sound is equal to wait, hold on. Okay. Transform. New. Transform. Sound source is equal to player dot footstep SFX. Okay. You know, I'm probably gonna end the stream here. So if anyone's still here, feel free to say your goodbyes in the chat. And I'll see you next time I stream, whether be it another dev stream or just I guess Saturday night I'd hang out for some video games, maybe. But yeah, thank you all for coming here, and I guess I'll see you soon.